Hi guys, and today we're doing another vlog. So what I'll be doing today is, well, just doing another vlog really. Well, I'll be saying what's going on the channel and that. So first of all, there's going to be new people going on the channel. But bam! So yeah. So yeah, it's pretty much it. I'm resting it's not. So yeah. Oh look, it's raining! I got like special effects on my computer, so I can do bang. I think that's pretty cool. So yeah, Nathan doing a blog on his own. So yeah, he always does shout outs to Syndicate. Because he loves Syndicate. I love Syndicate too. It's my favorite game. Ooh, let's try this one. What does this do? Is it me like drinking or something? I don't know what that does. Okay. What does this one do? Oh, okay. What the hell? Go away! Go away! It's not going away, God's sake. For God's sake, special effects. Oh, special effects these days, you know, people.